Hello friends, welcome to my lab. In this video, I will show you the different parts and connections inside a 3-phase 415-volt 10-way distribution panel. If you love my video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's switch on. Before opening the panel, let's discuss the connections inside the panel. So there will be 3 different colored cable, that is red, yellow, blue for different phases and black for neutral, and the green cable for earthing connection. In the figure, you can see the dotted line indicates the earthing connection. The 3-phase with neutral cables are connected to the supply terminals of the MCCB, and the output load terminals from the MCCB is inserted into the busbar chamber. The red phase is connected with the red busbar, the yellow is connected with yellow busbar, and blue is connected with blue busbar, and the black, that means neutral, is connected with the black busbar. You can see there are different tapping terminals are marked on the busbar, and the earthing terminal is connected into the busbar chamber. Now you can see the different tappings are taken from the busbar. The sets of cables that is taken out from the busbar is called the way. There are total 7 ways, and the 7-way cables are inserted into the MCB chamber. Each way is connected with a 63 ampere 4-pole MCB, so that we can easily control that way without harassing the another ways. So that was the basic connection diagram of the panel. Now this is the single line diagram of the panel. The diagram is drawn by using the symbols of MCCB and MCB, and instead of using 4 different cables, we have drawn only one line which indicates the 4 different cables, and the 4 number indicates the number of the cables. And this is the more simplified diagram, that is the block diagram of the system. Now let's see the panel practically. So you can see the different chambers of the panel. The 2 cables is coming out from the underground, and one of them is inserted into the cable LA chamber, and the 4 different color cable, that is red, yellow, blue phase and neutral black, is connected with 4 different terminals. The connected cables is inserted into the another chamber named the main incoming 63 ampere MCCB, that means molded case circuit breaker. To open the door, we have to turn off the MCCB. After placing the particular position of the knob, we can open the door, and you can see the MCCB is here. The 4 cables coming out from the cable LA chamber is connected with the MCCB one end, and the another end, the 3 different phase with neutral is connected and inserted into the next chamber. You can see a vertical rod is inserted into the MCCB handle, and it connected with the knob in this position, so that we can operate the MCCB from the outside the box without opening the door. The 4 outgoing cables from the MCCB is inserted into the next chamber, that is the busbar chamber. It is the most vital part of the panel. After opening the door, you can see the 4 outgoing cables from the MCCB is inserted into the busbar chamber and connected with the 4 different buses by using the GI lug and nut bolt. 4 different color buses are here, that is the red, yellow, blue for 3 different phases and black for neutral. The bus bars are well insulated by different color tapes, so that it cannot touch the body directly. And you can see the bars are mounted on the panel by using 4 different insulator using the nut and bolt. This red color cone like structure is the insulator which can hold the bars with the panel. And you can see the different sets of cables is connected with the bars by using nut and bolts, and the cables is inserted into the next chamber. You can see the chamber hole in the left side. There are total 10 sets of 3-phase with neutral cables is connected with the bars by using lugs and nut bolts and inserted into the next chamber. to measure the different bus voltage, that is the phase voltage or line voltage. The 4 different thin cables that are indicated is connected with the multi-utility meter that can measure the current, voltage, energy, power, power factor, frequency, etc. You can see the 3 different pilot lamps are here, that is red, yellow, blue for phase indication, and that is the multifunction meter by L&T. The device can measure active power, reactive power, apparent power, the active energy, reactive energy, apparent energy, etc. There is an MCB is here which is used to operate the multifunction meter and protect the meter. Now here you can see the 3 different cylinder like structure is inserted into the bars. That's the current transformer or CT. The secondary of the CT is connected with the multifunction meter and helps to measure the current drawn by the each bus. Please look at the neutral bus. There is no CT is inserted inside the neutral bus because the current flowing through the neutral is always zero in a balanced three-phase network. So you can see the different tappings are taken from the bus bar and inserted into the next chamber. The next chamber is the MCB chamber. There are total 10 numbers of MCB unit for 10 different ways. The each sets of tappings is taken from the bus bar and inserted into the input point of the MCB, and each row there are 2 numbers of MCBs mounted on the DIN rail. The 4 output terminals are coming out from the MCBs and inserted into the next chamber. To the left hand side of the video you can see there are total 4 numbers of cables is inserted into the next chamber. Please look carefully. The output terminals of the MCBs are inserted into the next chamber. That is the cable LA chamber. The 4 cables coming out from the MCB is connected with the connector terminal with the 4 different cables, that is red, yellow, blue and black. You can see the 10 ways are connected with 10 different connectors, and there are total 4 numbers of connectors which are not actually connected with the load. That means the 4 MCBs are the spare MCB. The cables coming out from the terminals are inserted into the flexible conduit pipes. The different ways are run through the 3 different conduit pipes and went out from the room. And here you can see the green cables is coming out from a point. I think this is the earthing point, and yes, this is the earthing point, and the cables are connected together with a lug and nut bolt with the panel, and with each way each earthing point is also run through the conduit pipes. Now you can see the another cable is coming out from the underground and inserted into the next panel. This is the 5-way distribution panel. The connections inside the panel is same as shown in the video, and the different ways are coming out from the panel and run through the conduit pipes and went out from the room. Now let's close the door and tighten the screws. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned with us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.